How to fix Instagram you can't send messages for 3 days problem. It's frustrating, but don't worry, I have got a few solutions that can help you get back to messaging sooner. Let's dive in. First, it's important to understand why this happens. Instagram might restrict your messaging due to spamming, violating community guidelines, or if your account is reported multiple times. Knowing the cause can help you avoid it in the future. Unfortunately, in many cases, you'll need to wait out the restriction period. Instagram typically lifts these bans automatically after 3 days, so patience might be your best bet. But also you can apply these solutions. Update your Instagram app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you see the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Sometimes logging out and logging back in can refresh your account and lift minor restrictions. Give it a try. It might just work. If you believe the ban is a mistake or if it's lasting longer than 3 days, reach out to Instagram support. Go to the help center in the app and report the issue. They might be able to review your case and lift the ban early. So this is how you can fix Instagram you can't send messages for 3 days problem. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.